Good afternoon, folks. Today I'm going to say goodbye to my bass boat that I learned how to fish out of. She's a 96 201 Pro XL. I bought it in 2002. I think I gave $9,000 for it back then. It had about 40 hours on the motor. And I tell you, she has performed like a true champion. And I have won a bunch of tournaments out of this boat. She's been a good one. I just wanted to do this video to say my final goodbye. And she's just, man, she has been a good one. It's a dual console Stratus 201 Pro XL. I put these seats in it. It originally had a bench seat in it, but it flew out when we qualified at Kentucky Lake. We drove all the way down there and it flew out going down the interstate, so I had to put bucket seats in it. And man, I've never had to do anything to this engine. She's a runner. She ain't much to look at, but man, it's a good boat. There she is. So I just wanted to do this video. Today's January the 14th, 2019. I'm saying goodbye to Betsy. Thank you for just, man, it's been a good boat. Alright folks, thanks for watching.